They said I was done, that I had nothing left, no money, no job, no love, just silence and the sound of my own doubt. But then I found the law of assumption, not in a book, not in a course, but in the mirror, staring back at a version of me no one else could see. I started small, just assuming I was already successful. I wrote it down. I whispered it at night. I am living the life I once dreamed of. At first, nothing changed. The world still looked the same, but inside, I was different. I stopped begging. I started being. 1 week in, an unexpected call, a freelance gig I had given up on, came through. 2 weeks, the debt collector disappeared. 3 weeks, the girl who ghosted me texted, "Hey, I had a dream about you. Are you okay?" It wasn't magic. It was alignment. I didn't chase. I didn't ask. I just assumed it was already mine. Today, I wake up in a place I used to only see on my vision board. I walk like I own my time, because I do. I didn't wait for life to change. I changed what I believed about it. The law of assumption isn't just an idea, it's a choice. And I chose to be the version of me who had already made it. So, if you're hearing this, don't wait, don't wish, assume, and let the world catch up to your belief